So that was my first YouTube paycheck, how to get monetized. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Ashley. I feel like this is crooked. Videos every single Sunday. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button down below to join our family. But I want to make this video for any of you guys who are in the process of getting monetized. If you're about to get monetized but you have no idea how to, or like what even is monetization. So yeah, today I'm going to be talking about that and also sharing with you guys what I made on my first YouTube paycheck. It's so crazy for me to even say that out loud because videos about a year ago like every Sunday, and I never thought that I would ever even get monetized or like even receive a YouTube paycheck ever. So I guess it's just kind of super cool to see what like hobbies can take you to in the future. So I don't know, and I just want to make a quick disclaimer. I know I don't have to say this, but I just feel the need to say this. I'm informing you guys on what I got on my first YouTube paycheck because I know I really like to watch those videos when I was a like smaller YouTuber. I am a small YouTuber right now, but like when I had like 300 subscribers, 400 subscribers, 100 subscribers. I had no idea that you could even get paid on YouTube actually. So, and I also didn't even know like what monetization was. So I'm just making this video to be informative. I'm not trying to brag in any way. Like that's literally the last thing that I don't even think this could be brag. Just want to put that out there because I just want this video to be helpful for other small YouTubers. Hard with a couple things because I want to make sure I talk about everything that I want to talk about. So first I want to talk about how to get monetized on YouTube. So first of all, let's talk about what even monetization is. So monetization is being able to get paid in your videos with ads, and you get paid through Google AdSense. And a lot of people think like YouTube pays you directly, and that is not how it works at all. Cousins or just some family members, they'll be like, oh, how much did YouTube pay you? Like, YouTube does not pay you. You get paid by Google. You get paid with the ads in your videos, and that's how you get paid. And a lot of people ask like, oh, how do you get paid? It's not the same thing every single time. So it's not like working a 4-hour shift at a grocery store and you know you're getting paid that same amount every hour, or you know you already know what you're gonna get on this paycheck, because that is not what YouTube is. Like for me, I have a very weird situation. Monetization is being able to get money through ads in your videos. So that's literally what monetization is. And you get paid by Google, and it's Google AdSense, and you do not get paid by YouTube. Like a lot of people think that you get paid by YouTube, like it's like a certain amount of money every month or something. That is not how it works at all. To get monetized, first you have to obviously have a channel, and you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is a lot of hours when you're a small YouTuber, because it's just people have to watch your videos for 4,000 hours. So let's say you have 1,000 subscribers, but if you don't have those watch hours, you will not be getting monetized. So don't worry, like I know it seems like forever, but as long as you keep posting, I know you will get to those 4,000 watch hours. Because being a small YouTuber, I remember getting to those 4,000 watch hours seemed like forever. So if you're a small YouTuber, don't even get worried, like you'll be fine. Have those two things, you can sign up for your Google AdSense account. You hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, Google AdSense will automatically like review your account, I guess you could say. And for me, it took me like 2 days to get approved. I got an email saying you got approved for Google AdSense or something like that, and I was so excited. Every single Sunday at the end of November, and I got monetized at the very end of August. I never actually thought I was going to get monetized, so that is pretty good. My email, and I was super excited. It was like right before I was going back to college this fall, and I recently had a video blow up kind of in August. It was like my back to school shopping video, and I feel like that's why my watch hours really went up, and I got monetized like in that month. Super excited, but obviously when you first get monetized, you'll make like a couple cents. I remember within the first week I made like $1 off a video, and I thought that was so cool because I was getting paid for something that I really like to do, which is so mind-blowing for me. I don't even know. Proof to get your email, you have to like fill out your information, put in your address and all that, and they will send you like an envelope, not an envelope, yeah. They will send you like a paper that says Google AdSense. I have mine at my house. Come with a code, and you have to put that code into Google AdSense so they can verify. Like the first step after getting monetized. And then I'm not really sure how long it takes for some people, but for me, I 2 to 3 weeks to get my code in, and then I put that into Google AdSense, and that's where all the process starts. AdSense pays you every 21st of the month, and you have to reach a $100 threshold. So I'm just gonna quickly spill into my situation here. So when I first got monetized, it was like the ending and the beginning of October. I was doing pretty good with my ad revenue, and this company that I used to use my old intro and old outro songs decides to copyright me, and they copyrighted all of my videos, which I was actually super upset, not just because I worked very hard on those videos, but it's the fact that after I got monetized, they decided to start copyrighting me. So like I kind of wish that like, oh, why didn't you copyright me when I wasn't monetized? So like they saw that I was monetized, they saw that I was able to get revenue from my videos, so that's when they decided to monetize me, which kind of triggered me a lot because I wish I would have known that. Like obviously if I would have posted a video and I was like, oh, this song got copyrighted, I'm not going to use it again then, but I didn't know that because they just never did it like the whole like year. So literally right after I got monetized, they decided to copyright all of my videos, which is super disappointing. It took away maybe like almost $60 of my AdSense, which really heartbroke me because their song was in my video for like 5 seconds. So like, I don't know, it's copyright is something very I don't even know how to explain it, but like I just wish I knew that and I wouldn't have used those songs, but you know, it's whatever. So I guess I kind of had to start over in a way because they did take away that AdSense revenue money for me, and also 2 biggest videos on my channel were copyrighted by them, and I tried really hard to get the music removed from them, and it was very hard. I finally was able to like take it away and mute it. It took me months, and it's January and they got copyrighted in August. So this company has really been just trying to not want me to monetize those videos. So both my college supplies school videos have been demonetized ever since they were posted because of that company. So I didn't make a single penny off those videos because first of all, when I posted them, I wasn't even monetized. But after I was monetized, they were obviously still getting a lot of attraction, but I never made a penny off those because they were demonetized and all of that money went to those music companies. It sucks, I guess, because as a small YouTuber, that really like makes me, really grinds my gears because I worked really hard on my video. That's enough of that, but anyways, if that wouldn't have happened, I know I would have hit my first paycheck within like the first 2 months. But since that did happen, I obviously had to wait till this month, January, and you have $99 with 99 cents. You will not get paid because you don't have $100, so that will just go over to the next month. You get paid every month, you have to hit the $100 threshold. So I will tell you guys how much my first paycheck was at the end of the video, just because I do want to get all this information in at first. After you hit your $100 threshold, you can start putting in like your bank information, your tax information. After you put that in, I know Google sends like a certain amount of money into your account, like your direct deposit, I guess. So they could send you like 10 cents into your account, and then you would have to put in like, oh, 10 cents or 70 cents or something, just to verify that they know that that is your account and that's where all your YouTube AdSense money will go. So that's kind of like the last step into the monetization. Years for people, or even months, because depending on like how fast your YouTube channel grows. You know, you have to hit those 2 requirements, and then once your paper comes in and all of that stuff. A couple tips right now on like how successful YouTube channel in 2020, because 2020 just sounds like a really like 2020 vision year, and I feel like it's just a year of like a lot of people getting out of their comfort zone. So I feel like this is a very good video for you. Upload consistently. I started uploading consistently, or like actually started uploading YouTube videos at the end of November last year, and that's where I really saw my sub count go up, my views go up, and all of that, and people just start to see your videos because the more you post, YouTube sees that you're posting and they push out your videos more to like people's browsing features and all of that. So have a posting schedule for yourself. Like I post every single Sunday, so people know like, oh, I like this YouTuber, I know she posts every Sunday, so I'm gonna go back to her channel, and then eventually I would hope they subscribe to your channel so they don't have to type in your name all the time. But that is my schedule. I post every Sunday, and I feel like a lot of people know that already. So setting up a schedule for yourself and being consistent is actually key. And also, I just want to say, uploading your first video, it doesn't even matter what it is, just do it, and then just keep posting, uploading whatever you like to do. If you post videos that are very popular, like trends or just like morning routines, like I know those get like a bunch of views on some people's channels, or just like, I don't know, just very general videos that a lot of people would search for. So I feel like that's a very good way to get your channel up and out there. But I just feel like being consistent is key. Like if you don't post, people aren't gonna watch your videos. Like, I don't know, like posting once a year is not it's not really practical. I like to watch Riverdale, and I know that they post every single Wednesdays, but online they post on Thursdays. So I know I go back to their website on Thursdays because I know they're gonna have a new show or video, whatever. So if people know that you don't post, they're not gonna watch you. Just posting like quality content, I guess. I know all the time that's not possible, but the YouTube Studio app and the Google AdSense app. Studio app like shows you what your revenue is from the last 28 days. Like as the days go on, it shows you like how much revenue you're making, your sub count, your watch time, shows you like a bunch of things. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's just a really awesome app. And I don't know, I feel like a lot of things contribute to your AdSense money. Like last month 2 of my videos got copyrighted, but I was like, I don't really care, so I didn't really obviously make that much money last month because I only post on Sundays pretty much. So there goes that revenue, which I didn't care. I was like, whatever, I'm still gonna use these songs because I really like this Christmas song, so I used it. And I was like, I don't care, you know what, whatever. So it depends, I guess, how much you post and all that, not using copyrighted songs. First paycheck, I made $147.50. So that was my first YouTube paycheck, and it may not be a lot for a lot of people, but it's a lot for me because getting money from something that I love to do is so weird. And I can say that I've made more money on sponsorships already than on AdSense money. And I feel like a lot of YouTube say that, like, oh, AdSense money isn't like your main income, because it's really not. I made on YouTube with 2,000 subscribers, and a lot of people don't really understand how ads work too. The longer your video is, the more ads you can put in your videos, and like the smaller the video is, I think you can only put 2 ads in the video. So that really like makes a difference on like how much money your videos, because let's say you get like a blow up video, but if it's a small video you only have 2 ads in there, so you're not gonna make much revenue off those videos, if that makes any sense. So it just really depends on like where you place your ads and all of that. But yeah, that is how much money I made on YouTube. I'm so grateful for that because I actually never thought I would make a single dime on my channel. So I just want this video to be informational for smaller YouTubers, and like I just want this to be kind of like a self-push, like you can do this, you're good, you got this, you got this. If you're a smaller YouTuber, you got this, just keep going. And I want to be like a really good resource for a bunch of you guys that want to start channels. That's literally the reason I made this video, and I've just seen that they've been pretty popular, like, oh, what I got on my first YouTube paycheck. But honestly, I just want it to be more than that. I wanted to just show you guys like what how to apply for AdSense, and like How do we even get ads in your videos? Like, what are the requirements? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and join the family here. If you have any questions at all about like applying for AdSense or like anything about, you know, YouTube, comment it down below. I always respond to your comments. It's like my favorite thing to do at the end of the night is just look over all my comments and respond to you guys. So if you have any questions, leave them down below, because I know when I was going through this process, I didn't really have anybody to go to or to ask any questions to, because I don't have like any YouTube friends. So if you have any questions, just let me know, because I will definitely be I'll be more than happy to answer those. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.